I told you guys I was going to keep trying this until I get it right. This time around I used coconut oil and put the cinnamon right straight on the pan, and of course used my special homemade almond milk. It was amazing. Yeah, I know presentation still sucks. I think I'm going to buy an ice cream scoop, but in the meantime I'm just going to enjoy my ugly delicious meal. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all of you who asked for my almond milk recipe that I posted on Instagram last week, I'm about to show you guys that, but before that let's head over to the gym. I'm going to show you my workout, and then from there head over to my kitchen and do the almond milk. Alright, see you guys. I hope you enjoy this. So that's it for my workout. Now heading home to take a shower and show you guys how to make almond milk. Let's go. So guys, for those of you that asked me on Instagram to show you how to make almond milk, here's how to make almond milk. Just going to pour this water out. Put all the almonds in the blender. I think I'm just going to put 3 cups. I want it to be a little bit creamy. Cinnamon. I'm going to add vanilla extract. Woo! That was way too much. And I'm going to add dates. So guys, you can see it's not so difficult to make almond milk, and you can see that it's creamy and it doesn't even take that long to make. It's not so difficult. It takes about 2 minutes if you don't have to take the peel off. I had to take the peel off and that took a lot of time, but if you don't want to, you can just leave the peel on and just pulse it, and 2 minutes it's done. So let's put it in our... Oh, so this is a cheesecloth. I'm using a cheesecloth and a sieve because I want to use the pulp to make some healthy treats. As you guys know, I have such a crazy sweet tooth. So yeah, I'm learning how to make little treats here and there. So you do that. This almond milk is ready to go. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Oops. So guys, it's as easy as that. Basically what you have to do is just soak some almonds overnight. In the morning, blend them. You can put whatever flavors. I use cinnamon and I use just cinnamon and vanilla, and you can use cocoa powder if you want to make like chocolate almond milk. And yeah, for the sweetness I put 4 almonds, which were, I think it's a little bit sweeter than the first time because the first time I used 2, and the first time I didn't even take off the peel. But let me go ahead and try the milk for you guys. It's creamy as hell. Okay, you guys, whoever is lactose intolerant needs to try this milk. Like, it's amazing. You're lactose intolerant, you're vegan, whatever it is, feel free to try out this almond milk and tell me what you think about it in the comment section down below. And stay tuned. In the next episode, I'm going to be showing you guys what I use the pulp for, the pulp that remains after we sieve it out. I'm thinking muffin, bread, or some healthy treats. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to find out what I'm going to do with the almond pulp, be sure to subscribe and click on the bell right next to the subscribe, just so you can be notified when the video comes out. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.